Hold on, I'm finishing up a pizza delivery. All right, sheesh. You don't have to bark at me. I'll head right over.
Bark? Who are you talking about? It sounds like
A dog!
I wonder if Coach Rocco got me a dog.
A new dog? Oh boy, finally a puppy of my very own. I'll call him Jimmy. Ellie, Jimmy, look what I found outside. A flyer. Looks like somebody in the neighborhood has lost their dog.
Aw, so we don't get a new puppy?
Oh, no new dog, but... No, I didn't get you a new puppy, but somebody's doggy needs our help. And whoever finds it gets a reward. A reward? You mean like all-you-can-eat cupcakes?
Or Robux?
No, obviously if it's a reward, it has to be some sort of treasure. Like jewelry or some kind of, like a rubber chicken. I love rubber chicken or something. Is it just me? Or does this dog sound really close? Oh, sounds like the dog could be in the house.
Looks like this is a job for the pet detectives. Sparkle Squad, if you want to help us find the lost dog, hit that thumbs up button. Here, Jimmy, that's for notes. Come on, let's go check outside. Follow me. No dog can resist a bone. Here, doggy, doggy, doggy.
Here, boy. I got your favorite squeaky toy.
Hey, why don't you whistle?
Ooh, good idea. Here, doggy, doggy.
Still can't whistle, huh?
No, I can whistle. My lips are a little dry, that's all.
It's okay, not everybody can
I
whistle.
I can do it. Hold on.
Okay. You got this.
Here, doggy, doggy. See? A perfect whistle.
Yeah.
It seems we have a pet mystery afoot.
Hey, Coach. Why are you dressed like that?
Well, didn't you say you needed a pet detective for the job? And speaking of, I have a few unanswered questions I want to ask you. First, what kind of dog was it? Was he a good boy? Was he a boy at all?
Well, he better be a boy, considering I already picked out the perfect name for him, Mr. Barkles.
Oh, very interesting, Jimmy. And when did you think of this name? Before or after you kidnapped this dog? Admit it, Jimmy, it was you. You're the dog napper.
Coach Rocco, change of plans. Why don't you take this dog whistle? Only dogs can hear it, so if there's a dog around, it'll come right out.
Oh, genius, a dog whistle. Well, don't go anywhere, Jimmy. I still have to say you're a little bit sus. But I'll go start investigating upstairs!
Yeah, I'll come join you. And Jimmy, you can put some treats out down here.
Are you sure these dog whistles work? I can't hear a thing. I'm gonna use my gym whistle instead.
No, wait! The dog whistles do work. They just have a pitch that only dogs can hear.
Oh, you mean I can't hear? This is brilliant. Here, I'll blow it really hard. Here, doggy. I know he heard that one.
Ah! Who is making that awful noise? Stop it!
What noise?
You know, the loud-pitched it's all I can hear.
And Jimmy, you can hear that?
Of course I can hear it. I have ears, don't I? Now knock it off. Some pet detectives you two are.
Ellie, is Jimmy part dog? I should make a note of that.
You know what, Coach? Jimmy does kind of remind me of a puppy. Look at him. There it is.
Why don't you two ditch those obnoxiously loud whistles and try one of these on for size instead? Here, one for you and one for you.
So, what are these exactly?
They're squeaky toys, my personal favorite. I mean, the dog's personal favorite. Once we squeak these, like so, the dog will come running. Follow my lead.
You know what? I think I'm gonna go check downstairs, you guys.
doggy. This is my super awesome new plan. While Ellie's looking for the dog, I'm gonna bring the dog to me with these super awesome dog treats. Once the dog gets a whiff of these babies, it won't be able to resist. It'll eat the treats all the way upstairs and lead itself to, you guessed it, the rubber chicken. This really is my smartest plan ever. Jimmy's gonna save the day and collect that reward money. Oh no, what's that? Oh, I hope that's not what I think it is. Coach Rocco! Ah! Coach Rocco, what have you done? You vacuumed up my entire trail.
There was food all over the ground. If I would leave food all over the place, it'd be crawling with ants.
No, Coach Rocco, the dog was going to eat the food. It was a trail, and then it was going to lead itself to the rubber chicken. The rubber chicken is the key to this entire operation. Am I the only one who understands this?
I've looked everywhere and I still can't find the dog.
I can't believe that it didn't respond to the call of the rubber chicken. Maybe I just didn't squeeze it hard enough.
Jimmy, there it is again!
Well, if it isn't my two prime suspects in the lost doggy case, mind if I ask you a few last questions?
Why not?
Where were you the first time you heard the doggy barking?
We were sitting here, playing Roblox.
Aha! Roblox, you say? Could it have been Pet Simulator 2 or Adopt Me? And you two are always talking about adopting a dog for your avatar. Seems like a whole lot of talk about doggies to me.
No, we weren't playing any of those games, and it doesn't really work that way in Roblox.
Oh, well, in that case, I give up. Nobody's ever gonna find that dog, and you can forget about the reward anyway.
Wait a second, there it is again!
It sounds like the dog is barking in your pocket.
What? There's nothing in my pocket but my phone. Oh, I was gonna show you my phone. Isn't it cool? It's got buttons and everything, and you can pick the sound of your ringtone. And I picked mine to be a dog.
Coach Rocco!
Oh.
So that dog barking was just your phone's ringtone? Ugh. Jimmy, let's go outside and find the lost dog out there.
Ooh, I'll grab the rubber chicken.
Well, isn't it cool? Well, if my phone's been making that noise, that means somebody's been calling me this whole time. There's 6 messages.